Welcome back. One of Python's greatest strengths, especially when writing functions, is its flexibility. Python is a dynamically typed language, meaning you do not have to declare the data type of a parameter when defining a function. This allows a single function to operate on integers, strings, lists, or any other object, provided the internal operations are valid for that type. 1. Defining a generic function. We define a simple function called double_value that takes one parameter, data. The operation inside the function, which is multiplication by 2, will behave differently depending on the type of data passed in. 2. Passing different types. Let's call the same double_value function with 3 different data types. For an integer, multiplication is arithmetic. For a string, multiplication is repetition. For a list, multiplication is also repetition, extending the list's elements. 3. Duck typing principle. This behavior is guided by Python's duck typing principle. If it walks like a duck and quacks like a duck, it's a duck. In programming terms, if the object passed to the function supports the operation defined inside the function, in this case, multiplication, then the function will execute successfully, regardless of the object's formal type. To summarize, Python's flexibility means you can write generic functions that work with diverse data types. Your function's success depends only on whether the passed object supports the operations you perform on it. Our next lecture 12 to 12. Recursion. See you there.